Hello everyone. So I am Radhika Sahu, Assistant Professor of Psychology, Sage University, Bhopal. So today's topic of discussion is types of neurotransmitters. Let's get into the lecture. Neurotransmitters. So neurotransmitter is a messenger. What do you mean by messenger? So in our body, when we need to send signals or when we need to react or perform something, there is a chemical situation in the body which is going on, specifically a chemical messenger type of neurotransmitter that transmits signals across the chemical synapse from one neuron to another. There are types of neurotransmitters. Number one is amino acid neurotransmitters. So in this comes the GABA, glycine, glutamate, and aspartate. So GABA is a really common inhibitory neurotransmitter in the nervous system. Basically, the problem is, or the major thing of concern is that it regulates the brain activities and prevents the areas of anxiety, irritability, concentration, sleep, seizures, and depression. Glycine is the most common inhibitory neurotransmitter in the spinal cord. So it is located in the spinal cord, and glutamate, it is an excitatory neurotransmitter. So it plays a key role in the cognitive functions. Aspartate is behaves like an excitatory neurotransmitter, and it is reabsorbed into the presynaptic membrane. Next is monoamines neurotransmitters. So here comes the serotonin, melatonin, noradrenaline, and dopamine. So serotonin is also known as the happy neurotransmitter, and it regulates your mood, sleeping patterns, anxiety, appetite, um, and many other things related to your mood. Melatonin is derived from serotonin within the pineal glands only and from the retina, and it plays a role in sleep and wake up cycle. Noradrenaline is noradrenaline is an excitatory neurotransmitter, so which is related in, and the major role of play is in heartbeat, blood pressure, and digestive process. And dopamine is the reward system, works as a reward system to the body. It works in the areas of focus, concentration, memory, sleep, mood, motivation, etc. Then comes the acetylcholine. So this is an excitatory neurotransmitter, does a number of functions in the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So activities related to muscle contractions, memory, motivation, sleep, learning, it does it all. Now comes the neuropeptides or neuromodulators. So these are the constructed short amino acid chains, belongs to a class of protein like molecule which acts as a neurotransmitter. And neuromodulators do not directly excite or inhibit the postsynaptic cell, but increase or reduce the release of neurotransmitter or modify the reaction of postsynaptic cell. Soluble gases, certain soluble gases also act as neurotransmitter. Nitric oxide is also present in many cells in the body. So these are some other types of neurotransmitters which you can see in the slide. Thank you.